A lot of fish and algae. I've heard that it's really good, and it's one of the most thriving places in New York.
More fish. And you guys were talking about seals and whales yesterday. So I guess they're like capable of moving in the area.
A lot of fishes, crabs.
Right? It used to be a huge oyster. I didn't know that was the history. That there were more oysters here in this river than pretty much anywhere in America. Right? It's not that way today. And they're trying to restore that. And I think that's fabulous.
Fish? Mainly fish.
I think there's a lot of life in there. I hear it. I see the people fishing out here. But it's complicated. And I was just talking to the gentleman who was here, known him for some years. And as a kid, they used to fish here, and now it's changed. That variety of fish isn't gone.
Yeah.
The shad diminished. You're not allowed to fish them.
Mm-hmm.
So it changes.
About it. And I heard that a lot of people go fishing there. So, yes, I'm guessing there's a lot of fish, but not substantially huge fish, but I'm not sure. So, yeah.
Fish, plants, algae, stuff like that. I know that the ecosystem's doing pretty well, at least.
I'd say it's really biodiverse. We have like a couple, like 100 different types of fish. So
I think there's a range of things. I think that, well, just because of the interactions that have helping out with Next Gen, and then also Shoretown Studios and other agencies, I would say that we have a little bit of everything. We have, like, some freshwater wildlife. We have a little bit of ocean and marine, and like a mixture of both. So, but I think that the quality of life has increased, and then also, like, we're starting to see more species, like, thrive or just come back, the numbers go back. So
I think there's plenty of different types of fish in the river. And I know there was at one point maybe striped bass and some other game fish, but I don't know if they exist anymore. I know there's crabs. I see them around here. I see the crabs. I know there's plenty of seabirds. And with the marshland over here, I'm sure there's an abundance of sea creatures of some sort. Right. But I don't know exactly what's here. But it's beautiful to be out here and see it.